So what we got going on here is a mechanical switch. I mainly made this because I wanted a mechanical way to switch 60 hertz on and off. This goes up to 75 hertz at max when it's going at max, but um, mainly what we got is these graphite leads right here connecting. You can see the graphite leads coming out here. I can adjust these up and down as they wore down too. But we got it connecting to this little commutator right here, which we got soldered um, on a couple of the pieces here, and the rest of the pieces are unconnected because we want that off time for the 60 hertz to happen. So it connects every time it goes over that part, over the brush, and you can see the wire going all the way around, and it goes in, and there's the hole right there. There's a hole that is drilled in that I made, and it goes in and it connects to this copper nail here that I sawed up, put up in here, and it goes out the other end of the commutator. And that's what makes the connect and disconnect manual. We got it in here on a fidget spinner. I made this back in 2021, messing around. It's one of the many gadgets I made. Got a little small motor. I think I'm gonna put a bigger motor on this. You know, we got a little big pin that we use and sliced up to shove it through here because it fit perfectly. That's what I had at this time. And then we got a little vape pen nozzle at the end to insert into the motor here. And basically, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. I use this also to connect and disconnect coils too. And I get a lot of voltage from doing that, but yeah, we turn it on and it gets down. It goes just fine. Yeah, but this was one of the many things that I kept on referring to some of the peoples in their projects, and I went on ahead and said I'd go ahead and make a video on what I got going on here. Get a closer look since we got the full 3 minutes here. Go ahead and show y'all around it. And then for this screw, I just wrapped wax paper around till it got thick enough to get stuck in here. Then I super glued it inside the big pen. Yeah. I got this commutator off an old drill that I got at the pawn shop because they're really expensive to buy online. But if you just buy a drill and take it off of a drill, it's a lot cheaper. I got this basically for $5. But yeah, this is one of the many things that I've handcrafted, and yeah, they wanted to see it, so here it is. The commutator, mechanical switch.